My Volvo XC90 engine gets hot quickly. What should I do? Does your car engine heat up quickly? Because if such is the case, it is by no means normal. This usually happens due to the failure of the engine cooling system. To know in details, please watch the video. Volvo XC90 engine overheating potential causes. Your coolant is low. A car engine almost always overheats due to a low coolant level. Therefore, you need to make sure that your coolant reservoir never runs dry. Your water pump is faulty. Water pump is the heart of your car's engine cooling system. Do you know what makes a water pump such an important part of your car? The answer is its ability to push coolant within the system. If it stops working, your car engine will overheat. Your radiator is clogged. If the radiator gets clogged or damaged, your car engine can heat up easily. So make sure to maintain such an important component. Your radiator fan is not working. Radiator fan basically quickens heat exchange. If it malfunctions, the cooling system may become inefficient, as a result of which your car engine may overheat. Your car is low on motor oil. Though it may seem unlikely, your car engine can quickly overheat due to low oil. So regularly check the engine oil level in your car and replenish it if necessary. Volvo XC90 engine overheating. What should you do? Engine overheating, if left unaddressed, can cost you thousands of dollars. Fortunately, a few things that you can do to keep your engine temperature stable. Check the level of coolant and motor oil in your car before you set out on the trip. If you think your car's water pump is malfunctioning, replace it. You should also check your car's thermostat from time to time. Final thoughts. An engine that gets hot quickly is not something that should be neglected. You must get to the bottom of the problem before it is too late.